Hi guys, in the previous video I showed you how to create a light sweep using nothing more than a simple mask in DaVinci Fusion. But in this video I'm actually going to show you how to create a light sweep using nothing more than a gradient. Now, if you want to create a logo sweep, then click on the link in the description. It uses a slightly different method, but it's super easy, super fun, and looks very cool. Let's get into the gradient version. So here we are again in DaVinci Fusion. I'm going to bring in another background node and connect it across Lake Sioux. Again, we're going to need a background node for the color, so I'm just going to take the output here, put it in like that, and it will give us that nice merge. Clicking on this background, we're going to go up to the right hand side and change it from solid color down to gradient like that. Now, in a previous tutorial I showed you how to make gold using these colors here. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a gold background by simply clicking on the triangle just here, click here, go to the HTML section just here, double click, delete that out, and then Control V and add that. And I'm going to set up 3, so I'm going to create another triangle just here, just by clicking like that, and I'm going to copy those colors in. I'll leave those colors in the description for you below. So now we have our gradients looking good, but we can do something really cool, and that is this. We're going to bring in all the triangles down like that, and we're actually now going to copy those colors across the screen. And how you do that is you don't need to do it manually. Just click on the triangle just here, hold the control key and move it, and it copies the color across for you. I'm only going to copy the 2 dark colors, not this light color here, and you'll see why in a minute. Right, so now we have the screen looking like this. So I'm going to go to frame 0, come across to the right hand side, and next to the gradient there's a keyframe option. Just click it. I'm going to go through to say frame 100 and click it again. Now if I go through to frame 50, actually I can just type it just here like that. What I can do is I can grab this light one here and just move it like that. So now when I scroll through, you'll see that that light section moves. How cool is that? So you can set up an array like that. So let's add our text. Clicking on the text, type in the word, change the font, and increase the size. And then when I go through on that, looking very cool. We do need to loop it. So click on that background, come up to the spline editor just here. Make sure you've got it selected here. Hit select all by clicking just here. And then what we're going to do is we'll do a ping pong again on it like that. And now when we go through, how cool is that? Again, to take it to the next level, what we need to do is clicking on this merge, shift spacebar, and we're going to add that light rays in. We've used it before, so we'll just add that in, and we need to set up an animation for that. So what we'll do is this time we'll start at the left, like here, come across to the right hand side, click a keyframe, go forward to say frame 120, click a keyframe again, go to frame 60, I'm going to type it in, I'm lazy, go to frame 60, and then just move it all the way across to the other side. I have to use this. So using the numbers position on the side, just move it across like that. Again, we need to loop it, so clicking on the light rays, come up to the spline editor just here. Make sure it's selected on the left hand side. Arrows, zoom to fit, select all, and then what we'll do is we'll do a ping pong on that as well. And now we get this. How cool is that? Hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create this very cool logo sweep. I love it. Very easy, very simple, very fun. Now remember, you can download many of my projects from my website. You will need to obviously hit subscribe and go to the link in the description. You will need to sign up, but don't worry, I hate spam, so I won't be spamming you. Again, hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one.